Good day everyone, so today we're going to discuss Quarter 1, Module 3, Solving Quadratic Equations by Extracting the Roots. Let's have an example. Solve by extracting the square roots. So we have here 2 times the quantity of the square of x minus 5 is equal to 32. So our goal here is to find the value of x. So para makuha natin yan, we need to eliminate 2, followed by square, and then minus 5. So start removing 2 here by dividing both sides by 2. Here, 2 times the quantity of the square of x minus 5 divided by 2 is the square of x minus 5 na lang is equal to 32 divided by 2 is 16. Step number 2, we need to eliminate square here, so we're going to apply square root property on both sides of our equation. Remember, since this is square root, the index here is 2 at hindi lang sinusulat. Simplify this is square root of the square root of the quantity of the square of x minus 5, so that is 2 divided by 2 is 1. So lalabas ang quantity x minus 5 in the radical sign or square root symbol. So plus minus is square root of 16. Isip ka ng dalawang magkamukhang number na kapag multiply mo ang sagot ng 16. At yun ay 4. So from here, you will have two solutions. X minus 5 is equal to positive 4 and x minus 5 is equal to negative 4. And to find the value of x, we need to eliminate minus 5 on both sides of our equation by adding its additive inverse. Since this is minus 5, its additive inverse is plus 5 here and another plus 5. So similarly, plus 5 din tayo dito and plus 5 din dito sa kabila. Simplifying it further, bring down x. Negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9. And bring down x. Negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. Therefore, the value of x are positive 1 and positive 9. Another example, we have here 2 times the quantity of the square of x plus 5 is equal to 90. Our goal is to find the value of x. And to do that, we need to do 3 things. Number 1, eliminate 2 here. Eliminate the square and eliminate positive 5 here. And to do that, we need to divide both sides by 2. Okay, bakit sa 2 natin dinidivide? Kasi ang nasa unahan na number or numerical coefficient of the quantity of the square of x plus 5 is 2. So 2 times the quantity of x, 2 times the quantity of the square of x plus 5 is quantity of the square of x plus 5 is equal to 90 divided by 2 is 45. So na-eliminate natin yung numerical coefficient ng the square of x plus 2, which is 2. Next step is we need to remove square. And to be able to do that, we need to apply square root property on both sides of our equation. So note that the index here is 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. So lalabas ang quantity x plus 5 is equal to positive negative. Take note, 45 is not a perfect square, so we will do prime factorization. So kailangan mo na isang perfect square at isang non-perfect square. So that is 9. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. A perfect square here is 9 and non-perfect square here is 5. So we have here square root of 9 times square root of 5. Simplifying further, we have here x plus 5 is equal to positive negative square root of 9. Two same numbers, if you multiply, that will give you 9. So that is 3. Then 2 numbers, if you multiply, that will give you 5. So wala. So copy square root of 5. So you have two solutions here. X plus 5 is equal to positive 3 square root of 5. X plus 5 is equal to negative 3 square root of 5. Now, to find the value of x, you need to remove positive 5 here by adding its additive inverse, which is minus 5 on both sides of our equation. Similarly, you need to remove positive 5 here by adding its additive inverse, which is minus 5 on both sides of our equation. Simplifying it further, we have your x, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, is equals to 3 square root of 5 minus 5x. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, is equals to negative 3 square root of 5 minus 5. So our final answer is x is equal to 3 square root of 5 minus 5. X is equals to negative 3 square root of 5 minus 5.